Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO U Pulse, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, and from here navigate all the way down to a little bit higher. We have, there we go, backup and reset, so near the bottom. And in here you'll find at the bottom option called factory data reset. Now when you press on it, it will give you a message that this process removes everything that is listed right here. So you should probably worry about things like the music, photos, and user data, as long as you keep this obviously on the device as a local storage and then not on the cloud. Now, so if you want to preserve any of these things, make a backup copy of it to some other, for instance, computer, phone, or whatever. And once you're done, you can proceed further. And obviously, if you don't want to back it up at all, you can do the same thing. Just select reset, erase everything, and this will begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with the Android setup screen for this device. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.